Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see about service level agreement with the part 2. Uh, Go for the slides actually. Previously we worked on like all the stages. Let us go to our slide. So these and all we have discussed in the previous session in our channel. So what I'm trying to these all stages we have saw, right? So we'll check with this. The last one is a bridge. So let us go to our PDI. So we achieved all this in progress achieved, and this cancelled pause completed stages, right? So today we'll see about the bridge state, how exactly it works. Go to our PDI. Let us go to our SLA definition. This was the last periodic critical we have created in the last first video, right? This is a part 2 video where we will see this has bridged, how we can able to achieve this one, this stage. Remaining all stages we have seen, right? So let us go to this, the previous one which we was defined, right? So the same incident form we have mentioned the same thing, right? Whatever we have done in the last session, last video. The start condition, pause condition. Start condition we have mentioned priority critical, cancel condition priority is not critical, and in this pause condition we have mentioned on hold, resume condition we have mentioned on hold, and stop condition we have mentioned state is resolved. So here I have defined the schedule time as 24/7, right? So first let us go to our incident table. Incident form. So I have disabled this, active is false, now I'll enable this. So how it works when the ticket is resolved, so how we will get the hash bridge time true. As of now, let me create one incident table record, one incident record, really something, you can enter something, software, operating system, shorten test for breached, right? You can maintain criticality is high, right? So let us save this one. Once you save this, we don't see in SLA, task SLA definition, right? So what we will do is just I have selected the schedule time as 24/7, right? So once you create this, activate, so save it. Now the time of this duration is 1. So whenever the resolution has been not completed within a timeline, right? So it gives an has breach a column here in the down, this one, it becomes true. Let us refresh. So as of now we don't see, right? So as of now we don't see means we can create one more ticket. Oh, after this we can, this SL will be attached to the particular incident. Then go to your form, I'm closing this one. Let us create it with new incidents. Let us create something, test for reached right. So now let us make it as critical. When the criticality is high, then only it will able to start the SLA definition, right? This one. So let us make it as critical as high. Then now we can save it. So what happens when the incident was created? Then the SLA will be able to start. That will be attached to the incident table. This record. So let me save this. Now it was created. Incident record. Go down. See, it was in progress state, right? So wait for when it was created 41:56, right? Wait for 1 minute, so that how this SLA becomes an has-been state. This 24/7. See, we have an actual elapsed time. Even if you resolve this within a time, after the time also, after the time it shows an SLA has been breached is equal to true. Go to your incident form here 41:56, wait for 2 minutes. Now it has become a false, right? So after 2 minutes it becomes, even if you make it as resolved, right, state is resolved, so it becomes has been as false, because after timeline, like time frame, the what is the definition of this one has been. This stage indicates that SLA is still in progress even after the agreed upon time has been passed. After completion of 1 minute, it becomes it signifies that the task or incident has been not resolved within defined SLA time frame. So what happens after agreed upon time? So we have agreed upon time was what we have mentioned, 1 minute. So 1 minute it is not possible to complete the critical priority within a timeline. So it becomes an has breach is equal to true. As of now we see has breach is false. Let us wait for 2 minutes, then here we can refresh. See, it becomes an has breach is equal to true. Even if you resolve this one, this ticket, state is resolved, then save. Now resolution, save. Something I mentioned, some comment, resolved, or we can whatever we can mention. See, even if it is completed also, it is showing the has breach is equal to true. So like this it works as the stages in the SLA. See, we have start time is 9:41 minutes, 9:44 minutes. So we have a 3 minutes has been completed, but in the SLA definition we have given only 1 minute. So in that way it becomes an has breach is equal to true. The actual elapsed time is 2 minutes. Business elapsed time is 2 minutes. So how much I have given? You can make it as maybe I have not seen this one. Let us create with a new incident record. Just close this one. We have given SLA definitions. We can give as 2 minutes and save. See, actual elapsed time is 2 minutes. So even if you completed after 2 minutes, even if you completed the resolution, then it gives has which is equal to true. Let us open this form. 167 is incident number. Test for breached. Make it as critical, then save. Now go down. So it is in a progress. 1 second is an actual elapsed time. Business elapsed time is 1 second. So business left time is 1 minute. We have given a 2 minutes, right? It was created with the start time was 46:34. Now when you make it as resolved after 2 minutes as completed, the stage will be completed, but has breach is becomes true statement, this one, because even after completion of this 2 minutes it becomes an has breach is equal to within timeline it was not completed, so then it becomes an has breach is equal to true. So it is still in progress. Now after 2 minutes it becomes an has breach is equal to true. Just refresh once. The percentage of elapsed time, like with elapsed time, with the time elapsed time percentage is showing here. Let me go here and after 2 minutes, wait for 2 minutes, then we can make it as resolved. Then it becomes an has breach is equal to true. And here 2 minutes, maybe let me 46, 54. Wait for 1 minute. One minute is completed, right? It is showing the percentage, business elapsed time percentage. So still we have 1 minute. It was actual elapsed time is 1 minute, business elapsed time is 1 minute. After this we can close after 2 minutes. Then the target the stage is completed, but this has been is becomes untrue. Again refresh this. 2 minutes has been completed, right? So this becomes untrue. Even still in progress, even if you complete also it becomes an resolved state. Then save it. No resolution. Something comment you can write, then save it. See here, so the stage was completed, right? The stage was completed, then again it is showing has been is equal to true only. Like this we can see we have seen all the stages. Let's refresh this one. So it was completed 46:49. So the start time was ticket was created with 46:34 minutes and 49:29. So even if you resolved also it becomes an average is equal to true. Like this we can see all the stages, like in progress, achieved, and cancelled, paused, and completed. So we have seen all these conditions, right? Now we'll see the next one is we can see this one, reset condition. So I'm closing this kind of incident table now, just to make it as, let me open this form. In the last video, the first video, we have seen all start condition, pause condition, stop condition, and these all things we have seen, right? Today we'll see about reset condition. So the reset condition is, let me open this. In incident table. First, this SLA, when you create an incident table, the SLA is defined for this incident table, right? So whenever the group is assigned to the next one, the other person, right, then this reset condition will be marked as completed, and it will become like cancelled. Or we have two options, right? I'll make it as clear when we are doing this. First, let me create with the color ID is some hardware subcategory, and can give IT services test for reset condition. First, assign some group. Some group is, again, first assign with some name, help desk, right? Assign to someone. We don't see. Save. Say start with priority, right? Now save it. So first it will become assigned to a particular group is help desk. So when you want to write this reset condition, what happens is, so you want to assign this group as help desk, then what we have to do? Reset condition is assignment group is changes. Then so whenever, as of now, we have created with assignment group as help desk, right? Whenever the assignment group changes, right? Assignment group changes, what we have to do? Cancel the existing task SLA or complete existing task LA. So we can select this one, complete existing task LA, right? So let me save this. So what happens? We have given a condition, assignment group changes, right? So let me save this one. Let me save this one and see this. It was in, this is older one. We can make it as false. Let me go to your SLA definition. This one is, one second. This one, make it as 31 response. So here so what we have to do is, let me go to incident table. Here this one, create a resolution, make it as false. No, go to incident table. So here whenever the group is changes, right, here in this, whenever the group is changes, what happens? It becomes a reset condition. Here we have defined the reset assignment group changes. We mark it as complete existing task SLA. Go to incident table, and it is already saved, right? Where the group changes to some application development. Then check this how it works. Save it. In the reset condition we have given, right, in the for this priority critical we have given completed, mark as completed in the SLA definition. So this one, in this way it works, like whenever the group name has been changed in the incident record, so it has marked as completed, right, then it is starting with the new time. It was closed at 53:9:53:59 and it was in progress with 56:09. This is start time. So the previous one will be completed and it is starting with a new time frame, start time. So in this way it works. Or let me create with a new one. Cancel this. Incident dot test for reset. Make it as high priority and save it. Assign the group. First see it was, yeah, now I'm the previous one we can see it was the business alert time was getting, so I'm creating with a fresh one. So priority critical it was in resolution, right? So what happens after this, we can assign the group application development, save it. Save it. So once you save it, the previous one will be marked as completed. The previous one is marked as completed. Then it is starting with the new one, this one. It was completed. The priority critical was completed because we have set the condition as reset condition has been group. Whenever the group changes, then mark existing task SLA should be completed. This is the thing it is getting, right? And we have applied the this 2 minutes of SLA, right? So what we can disable this one, SLA. So give the 10 minutes, 20 minutes. It is not possible to resolve in 1 or 2 minutes, that's why 20 minutes. Now what we can do the same way, this is coming because of we have mentioned the time with 2 minutes. Now we have defined with the 20 minutes. Then let us see this. Let us create with a new incident table, incident record. Now make it as this one, test for bridge. Make it as high priority. Now assignment group we can mention something called as application development. I have mentioned, save it. Now it was saved. Now it is, we have business left time in 20 minutes. In the last videos, like last incident records, we have mentioned the business time as 2 minutes, right? The scheduled time was 2 minutes. That's why it was getting hash bridge. So as of now I have given 20 minutes, so that hash bridge is equal to 2 will not get, only false, right? So here what we have to do is, it was in progress. Then whenever you changes this application assignment group into other, like you can change it as help desk, then the previous one will be marked as completed. the new one will be created. Save it now. As of now we don't see any mark as completed, right? This one for this priority critical. So let us save this. See, in this critical the previous one was completed, mark as completed. It was started with a new timeline. This one, it is still in progress state. In this way we can use this uh, reset condition. And that's all. These are the things, and this reset condition also completed. Let us create with a retroactive start and retroactive pause. Just give me a second. Now let us see with retroactive start and retroactive stop. First go to your start condition, SLA definitions. Here this is the first priority critical one I have given. Let me create with other SLA definitions. Go to SLA definitions. Here this is priority critical one. I want to make it as one more SLA definition 2. So create with a new one. This you can save. Priority critical one. And the second definition, I want to have priority is high, high. So you can mention SLA table is target is resolution table incident. Here you can give 20 minutes. This is SL division. This is 24/7. This is called as time zone. Here we can mention the same thing with other priority is not critical. I'm mentioning with the start condition. Here what you have mentioned priority, right? Instead of critical we can mention other one. Priority is high. And when to cancel priority is not critical, is not critical, sorry, not high. And this pause condition, here what we have mentioned, the pause condition, the first one, state is on hold, state is not on hold. In the same way you can mention state is on hold. Here resume condition, state is not on hold. In the stop condition, what you have mentioned for the priority critical one, in the stop condition, that is state is resolved. In the same way we can mention state is resolved, right? Now in the previous critical one, reset condition is assignment group changes, right? In the same we can give assignment group changes. Assignment group changes. What is changes? Complete task, right? Now we have a critical one and we have a priority high. We have two SLA definitions. Right. So here we can mention for this critical one start condition as a retroactive start. So we have a fields like it's set start to. We can have more options here like actual end, actual start, approval set, closed, created, due date, expected start, follow up, lastly open at result. I am selecting this when this has been created, the incident has been created. I am selecting this, set start to. Now here also we can select start condition, required to start as when incident record has been created. Now let me save this one, and this priority critical also save this. Now create with incident table. So what happens when the in the incident form, whenever the new record, just close this one because confuses incident form. Let us open this new incident table, incident record, and select something, software, something test for retro active start and stop. So select the criticality is high, right? Save it. This will work. Criticality, whenever you select the criticality, this SLA will be working. Now save this. See here, criticality 1 is in progress. Now for this incident table, you can mark it as changes in the impact and urgency is other one, right? Other than this priority. Now save this. The priority 2 will be, let us see this. See what happens. Priority 1, a critical one, has been cancelled, and priority high, it was in progress. See the timings. So whatever the time it has been created for this priority 1, this time, the timeline when the record has been created at that time, it is taking as a priority 2 as start time, this same time, right? This one. So in this way it works, right? So this is the retroactive start and retroactive stop, both conditions. So in the criticality 1, it was cancelled, and it is priority 2 has been started creating with the start time as the same which the priority critical 1 has been created. This time it is taking. This is the difference between retroactive start and stop. And we have a definition, retroactive start. A new SLA with a new time information is frequently associated with a modified task record. If we want to attach a new SLA record with a new timing information when reassigning an issue to a different group, right? It is good choice. Let me assign to a new group. What happens, we'll see. I'm applying with help desk. Can select here directly. Let us save. See here, if you apply the resolution like assignment group has changes, right? It has been given completed because in the SLA 2 we have defined for desired condition assignment group changes, then mark it as complete. That's why it is showing as completed, this one, priority 2, with the priority as what we have given, priority as in the incident table. Priority as a non-high, right? It is the priority is equal to high. So in this way, this will work like the priority. The previous one has been completed. It is start with the in progress state with the priority high is 2. So same thing, the same size, the same timeline it has been taken from start time, right? Even though it was completed with the timeline, right? It is starting with a new timeline. The same with whatever this record has been created, that time it is taking as a start time. So when the incident record has been created, that time it considering this. So in this way we can work on this. So for this ticket we can make it as resolved, make it as high, work notes, resolved, save, resolved. Now let us check with the priority high what happens. See, both are marked as the priority high has been completed. See, so if the priority one we have make it as high, right? Priority is one, critical one, then it has been closed because here we have mentioned the priorities whenever it has been closed for the priority one, this one, when should be closed, like when it is done it becomes a close. Let us see here, priority one here. So here what we have defined like priority 2 we have defined when it has been closed, like state is resolved. So even if your state is resolved in the priority high is 2, then it will be closing, right? In the same way, if the priority is resolution is closed, right? Close, then resolved, then it will be closing. In this way it works. That's all with the priority retroactive start and retroactive stop. With we have set the field value as set start to created for the both critical one and high 2. So reset condition has been computed, start condition with the retroactive start and retroactive pause, right? So that's all from me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, because I have put a lot of effort on this SLA definitions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.